Ilé ayé àkàmọ́ra. Moraye Musafaye. I know we're in the spirit of Toyin ṣe some mistake, right? But at the same time, nǹkan t'Abike Sugar ṣe yẹn fún Toyin Abraham, Ọlọ́run. Sherry, well, no, let me put it this way. Iṣu ẹni ló máa ń tọwọ́ ẹni b'epo. It's better to be crazy. Because one thing I understand about life generally ni pé tó o bá sán lórí, wọ́n máa fi ìlọ̀kulọ̀ lọ̀ ẹ́. Tó o bá sán lórí, take it from me, wọ́n máa rẹ́ ẹ jẹ. Abike Sugar, gbogbo yín lẹ mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Toyin Abraham àti Abike Sugar. Okay, for the purpose of ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá rántí, àbí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá mọ̀. Abike Sugar ṣe sí nǹkan pẹ̀lú Toyin Abraham ní title film Ìjàkùmọ̀. Nígbà tó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń pick, wọ́n fi sí nǹkan. Kì í ṣe celebrity o, ó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni o, díẹ̀díẹ̀. Wípé òkè o, ìyẹn máa gbé sínú limelight. Orí, kéèyàn máa ṣọ́ orí ṣe. Pé ìyẹn máa fi sínú limelight. Ṣé rí nǹkan tí Queen Mother tó fi yàtọ̀ sí kí náà ń pè Toyin ni pé Toyin ò mọ where to draw the line. But Queen Mother ó ní school shit lórí, tó bá ṣe bí wèrèwèrè á ṣe é. Queen Mother ní school shit lórí. But Toyin ò ní school shit. She's a lovely, nice. Then yẹn ṣe sí ìyẹn Ìjàkùmọ̀. Ìgbà tó ṣe sí nǹkan pẹ̀lú Toyin Abraham. Toyin kọ́ ni director, òun kọ́ ni editor, òun kọ́ ni iṣẹ́ mọ̀ manager àbí, wọ́n realize pé sí ìyẹn kò wà needed. Wọ́n sanwó fún un. Kì í ṣe pé wọ́n san 500,000 fún Abike Sugar o. But ìgbà tó ń realize pé sí ìyẹn ò wà needed nígbà tó wọ́n edit ẹ̀ pé kò ní ìdí sí ni, wọ́n yọ sí ìyẹn kúrò. But Abike Sugar already told everybody òun ṣe bíbá òun ṣe iṣẹ́ mọ̀. Kíní yẹn máa weigh ẹ̀ down. But nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ ni pé Toyin did not give up on her. Although scene tó ṣe pẹ̀lú nínú Ìjàkùmọ̀ yẹn wọ́n yọ sí ìyẹn kúrò. Toyin is still reaching out to pé okay o, kíní yẹn lè affect ọmọ yẹn. Wípé kó má worry, òun máa fi ó tún pè, òun máa fi sínú another scene. Kò dáhùn. Ọlọ́run ṣe rí social media ti jẹ́ kí hustle yẹn kó wà, kó rí bálabàla. Mi ní sọ pé kó wà easy, kó rí bálabàla ni. If you know what it costs or what it takes for people to make it in Nollywood, Ọlọ́run ò ní fi anybody ṣàkọ. She was messaging me. Wọ́n tẹ̀ tó sọ pé òkè kó wá ṣe influencer fún the other kìí ṣe alákadá fún another film. Toyin tún message ẹ̀ kò dáhùn. I did not reply. I don't want to have anything to do with that because the bully was too much. Kíni? What do you think they call celebrity? Is it not every time they bully them? To bá mọ̀ kó fẹ́ ṣe celebrity, you must have a tough skin. You are isolated, you are shaking it. If you cannot take the heat, get out of the kitchen. Kí náà ṣe fún ẹ tó rí nǹkan náà ṣe fún Queen Mother lórí social media? Toyin fún ara ẹ̀ ò rí nǹkan tó fojú ẹ̀ rí lórí social media. I was isolated. Get out. This is what comes when people don't really need something, or when they don't want something. Take sọ pé jẹ́ fún opportunity. No, give opportunity to people who are craving for that thing. Give opportunity to people who really, that is their dream. Give it to them. Don't give it to people that go viral. because they don't know what to do with that. A lot of people in Nollywood will kill for any opportunity to be close to Toyin Abraham. Know that and know peace. Nǹkan tó bá Toyin try, ṣó lè bá Fúnkẹ́ try ẹ̀ ni? Ó ní àwọn èèyàn kan bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹ. So you don't want to be part of the movie again? The bully was too much. Kò síbi tó o bá lọ Àbíkẹ́ Sugar, you are still going to endure bully. Ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ìyálàyà ẹ̀ nínú ọdún yìí, Toyin gan wọ́n sì bully ẹ̀. Àwọn tó ní Nollywood. So who are you? Ó wá ṣe ṣekúṣẹyẹ. Ó sá kúrò lọ́dọ̀ Toyin. Mo mọ̀ máa fẹ́ dá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ láti ọjọ́ yẹn ni. Wọ́n ti gbà tó release video yìí. Ó sá kúrò lọ́dọ̀ Toyin. Ó sá lọ sọ́dọ̀ Fúnkẹ́. Ṣé o rò pé wọn ò ní bully ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ náà ni? Ṣé o rò pé wọn ò ní bully ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ náà ni? But the problem you always facing, wàá máa rò pé bóyá Toyin ló ń ràn wọ́n. Toyin doesn't have to send anybody. Ṣé Toyin gan wọn bully ẹ̀ ni? Ṣé Fúnkẹ́ wọn kì í bully ẹ̀ ni? Ṣé Toyin wọn kì í bully ẹ̀? So tó bá ti bully ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ Fúnkẹ́, wà tó sá kúrò mẹ́. My mommy say I should not go through all that. You are going to go through all that. That is the hot side of celebrity. That is what comes after being famous. Wọn bully Bella ni. Now you threw this woman under the bus. I don't want to have anything to do with that. I don't want. Why do you bring out Funke's name in an issue between you and Toyin? Told that it happened 2 years ago. Why are you bringing this issue out in the first place? Told it happened 2 years ago. Why are you now saying I'm still healing? And why now? Why don't you heal and move on? Ṣebó lost síbi tó lọ. Ti lọ sọ́dọ̀ Funke now. Though a lot of people have been saying about it, ẹ fi ilẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ bí tó lọ jàre, òun ló mọ̀. So you want to subject Toyin to bullying? Toyin is not, how will I say it? Toyin is not, she's not a saint. Èèyàn náà ni. Toyin is not 100% fún ara ẹ̀ gan, she's still going through a lot. But má wàá kó ìṣòro tiẹ̀ sórí Toyin. Opportunity lọmọ yẹn fẹ́ fún ẹ. Whatever comes with it, from it, doing it, remember one thing, Toyin only want to give you the opportunity to become somebody. Ó ní ariwo kì í ṣe music o. Wípé wọ́n pariwo èèyàn wípé àwọn èèyàn sọ pé Kid Baby lọ sí Canada pé tó bá yẹ kó wà mẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni you are losing. If you are not losing, you will not talk about that. Pẹ̀lú fídíò tó ṣe, you even make it very, very hard for people to even come to you, because àwọn producer àti actress máa sọ pé ọmọ tí ò wá stable yẹn, mi ò ní mọ̀ nǹkan tó tún máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ńsìn tó máa wá blast mi. Does that make you, even from what you are saying, Toyin is messaging me, I did not even reply. You could have just tell her that, Aunty Toyin, pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ wo, ẹ̀mí mi ò tí ì gbé. I cannot do it. You ignore that. Olo WhatsApp ẹ, olo send text message, olo ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. They want to use you. Ṣé o gbowó ni? Ẹ gbà mí lọ́wọ́ àwọn people wọ̀nyí gan. Nollywood actress that is already famous, number 2 in Nollywood Yoruba, want to use you for what? Ìgbà tó sí ńbẹ̀ ṣé fíìmù ta ni? Òjò ló kẹ́yẹ lé pọ̀ mádìyẹ. Ìgbà tó ṣe iṣẹ́ lómi ò ṣe ni. ó ní ẹ kán má wo ariwo wípé ariwo tó bá wò yẹn wípé sometimes ó máa tóbi bọ̀ nínú kékeré ni nínú kinní kan. You are jealous. Orí pé wọ́n gbé Kid Baby lọ. Why do you mention Kid Baby's name if you are not jealous of Kid Baby? Orí pé Toyin fly ẹ lọ Canada for premiere. Àwọn èèyàn wá sọ fún ẹ pé tó yẹ pé ó fara ẹ balẹ̀ ni wọ́n máa fly. Jẹ́ ẹ sọ kinní kan fún ẹ. Nǹkan tó bá Toyin dánwò yìí tó bá ti bí ìyá ẹ̀ dà ìwọ lọ bá Fúnkẹ́ dánwò. Ṣé o pé Toyin ní kó wèrè kó wèrè? Tó bá ti bí mọ́ sí ẹ̀ dà lọ bá Fúnkẹ́ dánwò. Àwọn èèyàn mórí ṣá. Òun adúrú àwọn ọmọ tó máa rò pé kí Toyin tiẹ̀ fún àwọn l'opportunity. Ṣòro pé when it comes to Nollywood or fame, you think every time is always glamour. No, you were in the crossfire. You take it, but on the long run, ló yẹ kó wò ó pé on the long run, this thing is going to benefit me. Only mo wá sọ fún ẹ pé as of today, àbí as of yesterday, kọ́ ló ṣe video. Gbogbo àwọn Nollywood actress wọn ò ní fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ́. Only you have your other things that is making you more money. The dragging is not when the other things fail. Because nǹkan kékeré tó ṣe ó lè jẹ́ kán blacklist ẹ. You are not even supposed to talk. It's been a long time. You are not supposed to talk. You are not supposed to talk about it anymore. Just let it go. You've already made peace and say you want to move on. Oh, there's a join bit of a join. Ìgbà tó lọ join from Gensai, you did not talk about it too. You were there, John she content. Mo fẹ́ lẹ́pa, mo fẹ́ gbé dànù. Oh, talk about it. Then go in peace. You've already picked a side. Now you're looking for ways to justify yourself. That's how it feels. Video tó ṣe yẹn. You will not still chop more dragging than the previous. Àwọn tí ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ ẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ gan, wọ́n sì máa bọ̀ wá, wọ́n sì máa wá drag ẹ̀. You should have just kept quiet. Àwọn tí ò mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀. Nísìnyí ló ṣe fẹ́ wá wọ depression part 2 because you go chop dragging. No be ṣeré. So fún ẹ pé tó yín ojú ọ̀kẹ́ rí tó náà ni. Or do you think you can make a diamond without fire? Ó ní ìkòkò tó máa jata ni. Ìdí àkọ́kọ́ gbóná. This is what this celebrity go through. But they gave you opportunity just easily like that. And you're feeling like, oh God, it's taking it. It comes with pros and cons in it. Before they get to where they get to, it comes with a lot. It comes with a lot. Tó bá mọ nǹkan tí Toyin nǹkan tójú ẹ̀ rí ni opportunity tó fún wa ṣé Toyin rí ni. She worked with her blood, her sweat, her everything to become famous. And they give it to you for free. You are saying because they target about you, you guys say bully, ori e buru. You should have just stayed in your mommy's house. What do you think life is all about? Glitter and gold? How is the glitter and the gold made? Is it not made from the crust of the head? They will toss you around, throw you around, do everything to you. But you come out beautiful. Àti Toyin àti Funke, that is nǹkan tó fojú wí now. They now give you for free. You do not have to go through anything. You are being handed over an opportunity of a lifetime. You are sitting here complaining that some people wọ́n ní tó bá ń lọ sọ́jà èèyàn kì í wariwo jà èèyàn tí èèyàn bá ń nájà lèèyàn máa ń wò. What do you think celebrity life is? Kí náà ṣe fún bèbí yìí? O rí Queen Mother lójoojúmọ́ ni wọ́n ṣe ń gbọ́ tẹ́ ẹ ṣe pé. O rí bí wọ́n ṣe ń sọ pé òun ló pa Mohbad. O rí nǹkan tí very dark máa fojú ẹ̀ rí. That has nothing to do with Nollywood. O rí nǹkan tí o rí wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ sabotage movie ẹ̀ ni. Kí ló ti fojú wí? I just peace. Ó jẹ̀bi. But choose the pieces. Don't bring your problem to Toyin Abraham's life. Don't bring your problem. Stay there and fix your life. Nobody care about you. We don't care. But story to sọ we literally don't care. Ó bá wẹ̀ ó fail, ó bá wẹ̀ ó pass. Àwọn tó máa pass máa pass. Àwọn tó máa fail máa fail. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ilé ayé is filled with opportunity. If you lose one, another person takes it. No, where worry you? You think you're special? No, you are not. You're not even talented. So what the fuck? So nǹkan tí Toyin ṣe tó fi jẹ̀bi. She tried so hard for you to make it up to you. You didn't accept the opportunity. But you now coming out, you have the right to walk away. Don't get me wrong. But you coming out to paint it as if it was Toyin, what Toyin did to you, it was terrible. Toyin did not do anything to you. You choose to walk away. Because if you are there now, gbogbo ó sọ pé owó tó ń gbà, owó tó ń fún ẹ mẹ́, kò tó iye tó ń gbà irọ́ ni. Tó bá yẹ pé wà mẹ́sìn, wà á ti gba multiple. Gbogbo búlì tó búlì ẹ̀ kò ní má tà mọ́. Torí ẹnu tó fi búlì ẹ̀, ẹnu náà ló fi máa kó ẹ mọ́ra. That is what they call life. But ìkòkò ẹ fẹ́ jata, ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ kídi ẹ̀ gbóná. Ẹnu tó fi búlì ẹ̀ náà ló fi by now, wà á ti máa gba more than nǹkan tó ń gbà presently. Because everybody will have forgotten about it. But even you have not moved on. Ìwọ fún ara ẹ ò tí move on, Abike Sugar. You too, you are still seeing ganu síbẹ̀ ń wò nǹkan tó ń fún wọn. That is why you can say that nǹkan tó ń fún wọn, ó lè má pọ̀ tó nǹkan tó wọ́n make you. Kí ló make iṣẹ́ wọn ló ń ṣe náà? Oní business ni àbí kí lórúkọ ẹ̀ nílẹ̀ aláró? Ta ló mọ̀ ẹ́? Ta ló mọ̀ yẹ? Ta ló mọ̀ ẹ́? Ta ló mọ̀ yẹ? Ìwọ lórúkọ ló lọ. O rí bó ṣe ń ṣe cleansing, gbá cleansing máwọn èèyàn. Bó ṣe gbá cleansing mọ́ Toyin Abraham torí pé kí ni orúkọ ẹ̀ ti di ògo àgbáyé. Kọ́ ló ṣe gbá cleansing mọ́ Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé. Ìwọ tó ń tap out of the current of every other person ló sọ pé making it. Kí ló make? Ó sọ pé I want peace. Kí ló make? When you have decided to tap from people's glory, there is no peace for you. That is life. You did not build yourself. You cannot build yourself. You went to attache with somebody. Whatever comes with it, you face it. Kì í ṣe Tóyìn ò tẹ̀ kò ń léyìn ọ̀bẹ tó bá jẹ́ Fúnkẹ́ láti lé yẹ ẹ̀ dànù. Ta ló ráyè wèrè? Nǹkan tó ṣe pẹ̀lú Tóyìn yẹn, mo mọ̀ pé o lè tó bẹ́ẹ̀ láti ṣe pẹ̀lú Fúnkẹ́.